Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to create upsells on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. With that, let's get started. Shopify relies on specialized apps to handle advanced upselling features. To start, go to your left sidebar and click Apps. Search for Candy Rack. Hit Enter to open the Shopify App Store and click Install. Review the permissions and hit Install one more time. Once you are on the Candy Rack dashboard, now you are ready to build your promotion. Candy Rack gives you complete flexibility here. You can let their AI automatically bundle your best performing products, or you can set it up manually. For this demo, name your campaign Lavender Candle Upsell. Under Placement, choose where the offer displays, like a pop-up on the product page. Next, under Displays For, select specific products and choose your lavender scented candle. For the upsell type, select same product to offer a second candle at a discount. Check the live preview panel on the right side to see exactly how it looks, then simply save. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to create upsells on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.